So I'm struggling with objects in 2D drawing in Fusion 360 not working. Well, actually it works, but there are some problems with it. The latest thing I see, I don't know if it's a graphic driver issue or whatever it is, but I have the new Samsung screen, but it shouldn't really be the Samsung Neo G9 screen, 49 inch, so I can see kind of a big surface area. The problem is that uh, the objects in the drawing disappear, as you can see here. But if I zoom in, I can get them back by just gently moving them like this, just nudging them. I think I could also get them back if I just use the browser. Let's try that instead. So I just minimize so that I have access to all the various things. Because the way I see it, if this is correct, then either it is an issue with NVIDIA drivers not fully working as they should with Fusion 360 for rendering this, because this is 3D view, so it will use the rendering options. So let's see this one for instance. You can see it marks this, so I'll just zoom in, and instead of moving it, I'll just open it and highlight it. I'll just turn it off and on again. And that works fine. So since I'm zoomed in, it shows. The problem is when I now zoom out, there will be other paintings, other drawings, which have lost their view. Like over here, or at the bottom. Like if I go down here and zoom in, this would be a totally different base view. And just mark that one, and it's this. And I go down, and just select it, mark it, and unmark it. See, now they are both showing. Now if I zoom out again, and it's strangely showing all the pieces, but it didn't do that before. Let's try these then. Because before it didn't show the objects. That's that one. And it's not that one. This. And then it's this, this, and this. Shut off and on. Okay. The other one is this. Sometimes if I try to move it, it just hides them. This and then activate it again. So now you can see all the objects. Let's see if I lost anything if I zoom out. Yeah, I lost this one. I lost this one. And lost this. And the thing is, if I try to like nudge them when it's out here, sometimes it works, but most of the time it ends up like this, where it just hides them again. And this is so bloody annoying because I cannot view all of them at the same time. So why is this happening?